Full synthetic technology, same hard work. Introducing Shell Rotella T6 15W-40 full synthetic heavy-duty diesel engine oil with triple protection plus technology. Contains our advanced additive technology plus fully synthetic base oils. The viscosity grade you prefer and trust is now available in a full synthetic product, which provides better wear protection than conventional and synthetic blends, exceeding API CK4 performance standards and stringent OEM specifications. It provides improved oxidation, deposit, and corrosion control. Shell's advanced technology allows this Shell Rotella heavy-duty engine oil to exceed CK4 specs in API wear tests, delivering 85% better protection from copper corrosion and 98% more protection from lead than required. On average, it provides 50% better wear protection across all engine wear test parameters. When temperatures drop, this Shell Rotella brings better cranking and pumpability. It flows to critical parts faster, shielding your hard-working engine from extreme cold in the harshest climates. Whether in modern low-emission or older heavy-duty engines, Shell Rotella T6 15W-40 is an excellent choice for on-highway fleets, construction vehicles, public transportation, diesel pickup trucks, and on the farm, because keeping your engines running cleaner, longer, and more reliably makes all the difference. Find out if Shell Rotella T6 15W-40 full synthetic heavy-duty engine oil is the right Shell Rotella for you. Shell Rotella, the engine oil that works as hard as you.